In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate handwritten text in After Effects. First, you'll need some handwritten text. You can either write it on paper, scan it, and import it to your computer, or use a handwritten font. For this demonstration, I'll be using a font. Start by typing your text in the scene and align it to the center. Once you're happy with the positioning, I recommend locking the layer to avoid accidental changes. Next, select the pen tool and choose a different color, like red, to make it easier to see. Now, trace over the text with the pen tool. This part can take some time depending on your proficiency with the tool. Ensure each new letter you trace is in the same shape layer. To do this, deselect the layer, then reselect the shape layer before starting on the next letter. Continue this process for each letter. Once you're done tracing, you can hide the original text layer. Feel free to adjust the thickness of the traced letters by tweaking the stroke settings. If you need to modify any part of the traced text, simply select the shape and click on Path to make your adjustments. Now, change the stroke color of your traced text to your preferred color. Next, select all your shapes and in the search bar, type Cap. Change the line cap to Round Cap to give your text smooth, rounded corners. Next, let's add some taper to the strokes for a more dynamic look. You can toggle the visibility of your overlays by holding Shift-Command-H on a Mac or Shift-Control-H on Windows. Adjust the taper values to your liking. Once that's done, we'll animate the text using the Trim Paths option. Make sure the Trim Paths is at the bottom of the layer stack, not inside any individual shape. We'll focus on adjusting the Start property to animate the text. If you want each letter to animate individually, set Trim Multiple Shapes to Individually. This will make each letter appear one at a time. To smooth out the animation, press F9 or the Function key, F9 on Mac to ease the motion. There are various ways to achieve this handwritten effect using different methods and fonts, but this is one of the most straightforward approaches. Thanks for watching.